everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to negate phrases in Korean. Welcome back. My name is Inyoung. I'm from South Korea and I've been teaching Korean language for the last 10 years. And I post videos about Korean language and culture on this YouTube channel every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about how to negate sentences in Korean. So I'm going to break it into two sections. The first one is be verb with negation and second one is regular verbs with negation. First of all, when you negate be verb, which is usually 이다, 입니다, 예요, 예요, really depends on the polite speech or casual speech, or depends on either this is dictionary form or speaking speech. Speaking speech. So let's take a look at be verb first. When you negate be verb, it's just simply 아니에요. 아니에요. This is in a polite speech. As you can see, it ends with a yo syllable. But as you know, yo at the end sounds more like yo. Lazy yo. 아니에요. 아니에요. If you want to say this in casual speech, means 아니야. 아니야. How about negating regular verbs? It's pretty simple. We don't need to know if the subject noun is like singular or third party, just like in English, because the verb changes depends on the subject noun in English. But Korean, we don't depend on subject noun. We just add 안 before verb or 지 않다 after the verb root. So let's take a look at the first way. When you add 안 before verb, if I say I don't eat, 안 먹어요. 안 not 먹어요. 먹다 verb eat. 안 먹어요. I don't eat. If I say 지 않다, the second way to negate this regular verb, 지 않다 after the verb root 먹. 먹지 않아요. I don't eat. 먹지 않아요. How about another example? I don't talk, which is not true, but this is an example. I don't talk. Talk is 말하다. When you add 안 말해요. I don't talk. 안 말해요. If I say the second way, 말하지 않아요. 말하지 않아요. So make sure that you're using the verb root without conjugation. You cannot say 말하지 않아요. You have to say 말하지 않아요. So let's recap about what we learned today. The first one, when you negate be verb, it's 아니에요 in polite speech or 아니야 in casual speech. If you negate regular verbs, there are two ways. The first one is adding 안 before verb. 안 plus verb. And the second way is adding 지 않다 after the verb root. Verb root plus 지 않다. Hopefully this video is clear for you. If you want to learn further, make sure to write an example on your own in the comment down below. If you like this video, make sure to give thumbs up and share this video with your friends and families. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.